In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change email address on Squarespace. To begin, log into your Squarespace site and open the main dashboard. Once you are inside, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see your profile avatar or your initials there. Click that area to open the account menu, then choose Account Settings. If you prefer, you can also go directly to the Squarespace account page in your browser. Either method will take you to the same place, so use whichever is easier for you. After you are in the Account Settings area, find the section labeled Profile or Account Info. The exact wording can vary a little depending on your account view, but you are looking for the place where your account details are listed. Once you find your current email address, select it so you can begin editing it. Now enter the new email address you want to use for your Squarespace account. Make sure you type it carefully and double-check it before moving forward. Even a small typo can prevent you from receiving the verification message later. Squarespace treats this as a security-sensitive change, so you will also be asked to re-enter your current account password to confirm that you are the authorized account owner. This extra confirmation step helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. Once you submit the update, Squarespace will send a verification email to the new address you entered. This part is very important. Go to the inbox for that new email address and look for the message from Squarespace. If it does not appear right away, give it a minute and check your spam or junk folder as well, since verification emails can sometimes end up there. Open the email and click the verification link inside it. This is the final step that completes the process. Until you verify the new address, the change will not be fully activated. After you click the link, your new email address will become the one associated with your Squarespace login. If you are updating your login details for security or account management reasons, it is a good idea to make sure you still have access to both your old and new inboxes during the transition, just in case you need to reference any account notifications. That covers everything you need to know.